Good morning, class. I just wanted to hop on here. I apologize for the delay. We did not have electricity last night, so I kind of got my plans got derailed to get you some more content and some more lectures. So, just an update. You'll start to see all these quizzes pop up in the grade book. You'll have a mind tap quiz for each chapter. And you also have a homework assignment this week, the SWOT analysis. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in chapter 2, which I'm about to go over. But don't let all this work sneak up on you. We have an exam normally every Sunday, but this week, since Sunday's a holiday, we'll do it on Monday. So just be looking out for that to open up. And as I mentioned last night in my video note to you all in the news feed, these Mind Tap quizzes are very much worded in the way that the exam questions are. There will be a few things here and there you'll notice that I post of just things that I have talked about, things that I have mentioned in the lectures or the different supplemental information that I give you. So there will be some true false, some fill in the blank, some write your own information. It's really important to me. I've said this several times that you feel like you get this material, you understand, and you're able to apply it. So it's more than just taking the quizzes, understanding the wording, spitting out definitions in a text. It's important to me that you also see kind of the big picture. Just a reminder here, the MindTap has a ton of information and it says crazy stuff about different things being for a grade. The only thing in here that's for a grade are these quizzes. So I've pulled them out and put them up here at the top, but I do think if just depending on how you study and how you like to learn, there will be some valuable information in here. But all of your homework assignments, they're all in here in the grade book. You'll be able to see them, the different things that homework assignments will work on through the semester. So don't be confused with all the homework and mind tap, all that good stuff. So with that, we'll jump in and we'll talk about chapter 2. So chapter 2 is a really big chapter that kind of starts to really touch on the things that we talked about a couple days ago with the marketing plan that I showed you. So these instructor notes are actually pretty helpful in kind of contextualizing all of this. So I'll share that with you as well. But like it says, this is a heavyweight chapter and you really it's kind of like math in a way. You kind of have to understand these pieces in this chapter to understand a lot of the rest of these concepts. So it's all about strategic planning. And why do we have a plan? Because you don't know if your efforts are working and why something would be the way that it is, or how to explain success to other stakeholders in a business that are not involved with marketing if you don't have a plan. One of the concepts that we'll talk about is strategic business units. That's something that you'll need to know and pay attention to and understand. There are also some different pieces to the marketing plan that this will walk you through, like a mission statement, a SWOT analysis, which some of you've already completed it, that you'll do on yourself, but a lot of companies do that for themselves about a specific product or about their company as a whole, so that they kind of understand where they're headed with the strategic plan. And then we'll talk about competitive advantage, how to form objectives, how to pick your target market. And then you heard me mention this, the 4 Ps. We'll talk about that as well. So I'm going to cut this off here and I'll start to jump into the PowerPoint and we'll kind of chip away at this piece by piece. So thanks for tuning in.